Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. It is the month of December, and Becky is our host for the month of December. And her challenge to us for the month of December is to document Christmas, winter, or use a paper pad, or do both. I am not going to document Christmas because I have been participating in 12 Days of Christmas hosted by Kathy, and then I am participating in the other half of December, Christmas Memories, hosted by my scrappy friend Miranda. So I was trying to decide what I want to do. And I don't have a lot of paper pads because I buy individual sheets, except for when it comes to Vicky Bouton. I have Wildflower and Honey, right? Is that what it's called? Yes, Wildflower and Honey. And I loved this collection, and I used a lot of it. All right, so we have the 6x8 paper pad from Vicky Bouton, Wildflower and Honey. And I guess I've used more than I thought because it feels very thin to me. And I think there's 24 sheets in here. So maybe not. There looks like there's quite a bit. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I used about 8 sheets out of here. So I have 16 sheets of the 6x8 to use. And then from the paper pad, and you get 24 sheets as well, I have, let's count them here. All right, it's going to be kind of backwards here. So we have 1, this is going to be sideways. Because my desk is so small, guys, I have to turn it sideways. I can't even flip a full 12x12 forward. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I can't double count those. What's wrong with me? All right, silly Dolly. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 12x12 of the Wildflower and Honey. Then I think these loose ones were from her collection before. They're going to either be Kaleidoscope, or they could be also, what was it? The All Good Things, Feel Good Things. I can't remember. And because I only had a few sheets left, I just put them with my next collection, the next oldest collection. So I have this scrap paper here, this beautiful purple maroon color, this beautiful green. The opposite side is Ledger. Then I have the pink tone-on-tone flowers with little tiny pink dots in the background, and then the feathers. Oh, Field Notes. Because I'm telling you, I've had every one of her collections. So this is from Field Notes. I don't know about these two. And let's see what this one's from. I don't know. But there's one side, and then there's the other side. And then I have this vellum star paper. Now, for my embellishments, I purchased, I think, 3 of these chipboard pieces because I love them and I can use them with other collections and manufacturers, but this is my last one, and that's all I have left. It's a full sheet. Then I have the puffy enamel word phrase and icons, and I think when I originally got this collection, I didn't get these right away. And so I bought them when I wanted more of the chipboard pieces, because that's the only thing that I bought additional of. And the stickers, I'm sorry, and the stickers. And I have the sticker sheet. This was a second sheet. I only bought 2 sheets of the stickers, and I bought 3 of these chipboards. And I guess because I was in love with these banners. Well, I was in love with the whole thing. I just love this collection. But I only bought 1 pack of the ephemera, and this is all I have left. So I don't have a lot of ephemera to work with. It's got record, live, hey honey, my love, good feeling, unique, or enjoy today, for you. So most all these are phrases. I don't think there's another one in here. Let me see. Oh, I do have another ephemera pack. Sorry. So those are all word phrases. So I think I have enough to do 3 to 4 layouts, knock it out, and use all these ephemera pieces. Not of the chipboard. I'll have some of those left, but that's fine. But I have all these flowers. So I don't know what kind of photographs I'm going to document. So that's what I have left in the ephemera and flowers. So I will be heavily using the sticker sheets for phrases and tucking in, tabs and the round circles. That is my goal, to kill that. Sorry, I had a piece drop on the floor. So my goal is to really kill the ephemera here, except for the alpha phrases and the chipboard. I know that is not going to get killed or used up on 3 to 4 layouts. And then I have these miscellaneous papers here. And again, so this is probably from Field Notes. And I will try to see what I can get used up of these. So like this is a pretty color. See if I can get those used up too. So I have lots of paper to get used up. And I am going to bring in three sheets of Daisy white cardstock from Close to My Heart, 1 French vanilla, and I know I'll probably pull in some of my black cardstock as well. And again, my focus is to try to kill the paper in here, use it up, use up all the ephemera, and partially get these stickers, word phrases, and icons and chipboard used. All right, this is my December 21 kit for Mini Kit Monday. Be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I will have their link listed below. We would love for you to play along, so all you need to do is snap a photograph of your kit and upload it to the December album, and snap a photograph of each layout that you complete and upload that or them over at the December album. And then you will automatically be entered in to possibly win a gift certificate or a curated kit from Becky in the month of December. If you are not a member of our Facebook group, why not? Jump on over to our Facebook group, and I will have the link listed below. Request to be a member will get you accepted. All right, we will see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to our channel. And if you're not subscribers of my channel or Kathy or Becky's, please subscribe. All right, and we will see you next time. Bye.